ತಕತೈ ತತೈ ತದಿಂದ ತಕತಾಂದಿತ ತದಿಂದ ತಕತೈ ತತೈ ತದಿಂದ ತಕತಾಂದಿತ ತದಿಂದ ತಕತೈ ತತೈ ತದಿಂದ ತಕತಾಂದಿತ ತದಿಂದ ತಕತೈ ತತೈ ತದಿಂದ ತಕತ
The literal meaning of Arangetram is ascending the stage. But as we all know, it is not just a debut performance, but it is the culmination of years of hard work, dedication, countless hours of practice, and devotion to the art. Sudiksha, your performance today is outstanding. It's magnificent. Yes.
Good afternoon, everyone. Namaskaram. Before coming to Bangalore, I spent a few years in Maharashtra. So in Maharashtra, there is a saying, Lahan Murtichi Kirti Mahan. I don't know how many of you have heard it, but today you saw it. That is how amazing she was.
We heard these things, our parents, my father was a good singer. So I used to hear him singing these classical songs. And I'm sure all of you would have enjoyed. And I would request everybody to give a standing ovation to the team here, to the dancer, and let us all give a standing ovation. Please stand up and give a standing ovation.
Shri Hare Antaratma Shri Hare